Hello, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing a video request for today. This is Hot Sneezes, another Pewdiepie video. So I guess let's go ahead and get into this one. I don't think I've seen this one. Let's see.
Hey, welcome. Felix here. I have found the strangest fetish online.
This is a fetish. It's fucking gross, man. That's mucus, man. That's fucking mucus.
Sneezing videos. That's right, everybody. Sneezing videos is sweeping the nation. Is your kid watching sneezing videos on YouTube? You better watch out. YouTube is a dangerous place. Apparently, it's really popular. Really, really popular. So popular that from now on, big announcement, I have become a sneezing channel. Let's look at some sneezing people.
Oh.
Holy shit, that's a lot of sneezes. How does she do it?
Ugh.
Cover your face! Like, this is
Incredible.
This is fucking
How does she
triggering
do
me.
that thing with her nose? I've never seen anything like it. You can follow her on Instagram, SneezeGirl143. SneezeGirl. How did you come up with that? I'm gonna be Sneeze Girl. Ah, shit, it was.
What's your job?
Private.
I sneeze.
Come on, man. Come on, I need to see them sneezes. Now, the favorite part of these sneezing videos is the comments. They're absolutely fucked up, nuts, but horribly, horribly hot. No name, but very, very pretty. Awesome.
I can't help but notice that these video requests that I'm getting are over some very fucking disgusting things. I'm kind of concerned about you now. Because the last one was like awkward kissing. This one's about fucking sneezing.
Sneezes. Really sexy.
Oh my
Rick
god.
Sanders. He just liked a couple videos. He liked this one and another sneezing one. All these liked videos are related to sneezing.
Was that ASMR sneezing?
10 hours of sneezing? This is weird, dude. This guy is weird. What the fuck is this?
Cool Death Note poster.
That's her 154th sneeze.
She got more subscribers to me for fucking sneezing. Ashley!
Yeah.
Do me a favor.
Yeah.
Come here. Will you start sneezing?
What?
Sneeze. Okay, I want another 500 subscribers. You can go home. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Goodbye.
Bye.
I'll tell you later.
Okay.
Oh, god damn it.
Are these cam girls? I like apologetic sneezers. What's the most viewed sneeze? Beautiful girls quadruple sneeze. My god, must see this.
Oh, god damn it.
I love this one because it's just a guy trying to play guitar, but he keeps sneezing. And he's just getting.
And he still
genuinely
uploaded it
pissed off
anyways.
about it. They're so pissed. It just gave up. Sneezing. He changed
He
sides.
still
It's
uploaded
not
it.
just a fetish, but it's also a fetish. Bless you for all your sneezes, handsome. Cute sneezes, by the way. Even girls like sneezes. What?
Are we
What is
sure they're
happening to
girls?
the world? Please make shirtless sneeze. Can you make a shirtless sneeze, please? So hot. Bless you. You are so handsome. You tell
Where's
me
my
that
positive
all I have to
feedback
do
on
is
this, damn it?
and women will like me. My declining female demographic will finally return if I sneeze. Well, the choice is obvious. I need to figure out how to sneeze on demand. Fuck!
That's all it takes. I just need to play my guitar. Because I can do that. I better get some kind of nice fucking comments, too. I'll sneeze, too. I don't know.
Was that cute? Was that? Did that seem real? Wait, what? What is that? What is that? Pewdiepie sneeze compilation.
Oh, fucking course.
10,000 views. You can thank me later. There's 2 of them. Holy shit! These are like super old videos. I love Cannon. Okay. These are so old.
Hello, how are you?
What?
How are you?
Oh, Jesus! Make him find. I gotta think. That one was cute.
Was that PT?
How do they find all these? They must go through like so much fucking videos. So many videos. I have thousands of videos. I kind of want that on my soundboard. Wait, Jack has one? What the fuck? I bet I have way cuter sneeze than Jack, by the way. Yeah, confirmed. The fuck was that? Jesus, like sneeze almost killed me. Lame. Wait, Ken has a fucking sneeze?
Cinnamon Toast Ken?
Holy shit, a triple sneeze. Not bad, Ken. I may have a bit of respect left for you after all. Wait, Cry? Cry has a... Does every fucking YouTuber ever has a sneezing compilation? Oh shit, that it moved up.
I don't think I sneezed in any of my videos. I probably fucking have. I've got like over 400 something videos. But I do know I say at least once per video, oh my fucking god, or oh my god. And if somebody would ever just make a compilation of that, I think that'd be funny.
Down there. It definitely moved down there.
Yeah, what the hell is wrong with you?
I'd fuck that sneeze. I'd fuck it. Sorry, Mighty, I'm over you now. Wait. You guys better not be perverts over Mighty sneezing. No.
Oh no.
It will look decent after we put the little plants around.
I can't wait. Don't worry, I'll do it. Yes, now it's my chance.
Even her sneeze is sexy.
I'm with him on this. What the fuck is the matter with you? Oh, it's a green screen. I mean, obviously, I guess. Whatever.
The fuck? Another sneeze. What the fuck is this channel? There's even a whole science around sneezing. I don't know if you guys realize this, but it's pretty interesting. Ew.
That's fucking gross. No.
I saw your hand like
Did you?
Let's break down the topics.
Okay, if you ever cough at me like that, I'm gonna knock you the fuck
A
out.
sneeze or a cough? Ew!
Oh my fucking... See, I say it again. Oh my fucking god.
What does 38 mean? I'm kind of into that. I'd let girls sneeze on me. Sorry, Mighty, I don't watch this video much. I would let girls sneeze on me, please. This video has converted me. All right, how much is in the sneeze? No, what's weirder is reacting to this shit.
What's weird is reacting to you reacting to this
Ew,
shit.
sneezing is gross. Get this right, you perverts. And stop looking at my girlfriend sneezing. I don't like it.
What the fuck?
That's right. That's right, Daddy of 5. You're so right. So if you
Oh,
ever have to
fucking
sneeze
Christ.
in public, here's what you do.
The Dracula sneeze.
No, it's a dab. It's a dab.
So if you're
It has a name.
even when covering your mouth and sneezing into your elbow, is there anything you can do? Grab a tissue. Believe it or not, With Marcus sneezing right into the tissue, we found nothing getting through. Nothing.
Well, I still stand by the dab sneeze. That's cool. If you ever get a sneeze, just. Wait, what? 12-year-old sneezes 12,000 times per day. There's always some weird fetish here.
Oh, no, that's terrible.
She sneezes about, are you ready for this? 12,000 times per day.
That's not real. There's no fucking way that's real.
Are you kidding me?
For 12-year-old Caitlin Thornley, this sound has become painfully familiar.
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Years ago, Caitlin began sneezing, and she hasn't stopped.
I was walking out of
I feel bad for her.
pregnant lesson. All of a sudden, it kind of started and just.
She did that shit on command. There's no way this is real.
Like just a few sneezes here and there, but by the time I went to bed, I'd sneezed 30 times that night.
Caitlin now averaging about 20 sneezes per minute.
I can control it sometimes, but it's really painful.
And so far, doctors at Texas Children's Hospital in Houston haven't been able to figure out exactly what is causing the
my
uncontrollable
God.
sneezing. Referring to the
Whoa!
condition
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
tick.
Whoa! 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 Oh! Oh my God! So many snakes! Well, I'm going to hell after I die, but she sounds like a spring. Well, it's time for you now. I know. It's time to pull out the sneeze. I realize all I need to do is pull out a really good sneeze. I don't know if you noticed, but ow, they've all been fake sneezes. I know I can fake them really well, but let's do a genuine sneeze here together. Let's see if we can both do it together. I came prepared. I have one of these. I'm going to stick it up my no wait, my nose. Yeah, boy! Yes!
It's disgusting! Why does anybody want to do this?
They're all gonna come back!
It's mucus! You're getting fucking phlegm everywhere!
This video, leave a like. And if you enjoyed watching, and a trophy!
Fucking gross. Oh my god. Seriously, somebody want to like do a compilation of that? Because fuck, I'm down. But god damn it. Oh my god, that's gross. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for leaving a like or a dislike, preferably a like. Subscribe if you're new here. And I guess has it been 20 seconds yet?